The way that he approaches his patients is so different compared to all the dentists that I've ever had. He's really wonderful. He's very personable. He actually cares. He remembers details that typically a doctor is not going to remember about their patients. Just his overall character and demeanor says a lot, and I think it really reflects in his practice and in how successful he is because he's so great with his patients. When you find a good dentist and a good doctor, you don't really mind whether it's traveling, having to rearrange your schedule, figure out how to pay for it if it's not a complete match with your insurance. I mean, these were all issues that I did have and that were kind of, out of sight, out of mind, because I really appreciate the work he does and how easy it is to schedule with him. He's always trying to accommodate his patients, and he's trying to make it work in a way that is fiscally doable and isn't such a financial burden for the patient. And I think that it just speaks volumes to this practice, because you do not find that. I always feel that the treatment presented is the treatment that is needed, and I have a 100% belief in Dr. Ford when he tells me what is needed, because I don't have any inkling that he would try to upsell me, and that is never the case. And it always seems like he does just what he needs to do. And when he has recommended additional things, it's more like, if you want to do this and when the time comes type of a conversation, as opposed to like, we should do this now, and here's another $1,000 coming out of your pocket. It's never that. So I always trust whatever he gives us as advice or recommendations. Yeah, we recommend toothology all the time. I think even my dad and my mom come here maybe. Dr. Ford is he's just a gem of a dentist, and we're very fortunate that we have found him.